All right, here's a quick video of what's in our toolbox for when we're out and about. Quite a bit of downstream injectors here. We now have, with the new build, 2 machines, a 10 gallon per minute and then the 4 gallon per minute. So here we got the 3 to 5 gallon per minute, 2.1 orifice. And these 3 should all be, there you're gonna have 5 to 8, 2.3 orifices. That's what's in there. Then we got one that's pre-made already. I'll probably do the same for this side as well. And then a bunch of lubricants, anti-seize, dielectric grease, and thread lock. So this one we're gonna be in quite a bit more. So we have the quick connects and the plugs up here. These are the extra tips I have for the surface cleaner. Some to clean them out that get clogged, some tape. These are the 1/4 inch quick connects and plugs. And this is it, you know, for the gun. I should have brought it in, the Suttner gun. So that goes, this side, the 2 inch goes, or 1/2 inch goes into the gun, and then the 1/4 inch thread is for these quick connects here. O-rings. Sometimes this in and out quick connect is good on the 12 volts on the pumps. But most of the time we're threading with all of these over here. So we have elbows and straight barbs. And you belong over here. So that's our kind of oh shit box. Let me know what you think. I decided to film inside because it's finally raining here in Texas.